Today I'm going to demonstrate the switch knot. Hey, I'm Sheena Joy. I create macrame textile art and I'm here to simply inspire you to do the same. If that's your jam, then subscribe and hit the bell notification. So the switch knot is a variant of a square knot. So first we must make a square knot, just like so. If you're unfamiliar with the square knot, no worries. I have a tutorial that I will link for you in the description box. Okay, so all you need to do is switch your working cords like so and tie another square knot. And it's as simple as pie. I'm going to demonstrate a couple more for you here, but stay tuned because I'm going to demonstrate a switch knot pattern. But you could totally add the switch knot chain into your macrame wall hangings as well. Okay, now let me show you how I did this alternating switch knot pattern. First, you start off with a regular row of square knots. Next, you want to take 2 cords from each side of your previous square knots and switch them and tie your next square knot just like so. Okay, now let's do another one. You grab the next 4 cords, you switch your working cords and tie your square knot. I really feel like these switch knots gives your art kind of like a more lacy, feminine look. What do you think? Let me just do a few rows and I'll show you the results. And voila, what do you think? If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more. Also, here are 2 more videos I think you'll enjoy. I'll see you over there.